are 11 squat-free exercises to tone, lift, and build your booty. This is the kneeling leg lift with a straight leg. Start on all fours, squeeze your glutes and straighten your leg behind you. Keeping your leg straight, raise your leg as high as you can, focusing on squeezing your glutes at all times. Do this for 15 to 20 reps on each side. This is a great exercise for lifting your butt. This next exercise is amazing because it works your core and your glutes at the same time. With a bent knee, lift your leg up behind you, squeezing your glutes. As you bring your leg down, crunch it in towards your chest, squeezing your abs. Repeat this for 15 to 20 reps on each side. The kneeling leg lift is really the best exercise to lift the butt and give it a smoother appearance. Keep your leg bent as you lift your leg behind you, squeezing your butt as much as you can. Do this exercise for 20 to 30 reps per side. Holding your bent leg up behind you, pulse for 30 seconds as fast as you can. Make sure your glutes are tight at all times to really activate those muscles. The next exercise is the fire hydrant. This is great for toning the side of your thighs, giving your butt a more rounded appearance. Start on all fours. Keeping the kneeling position, raise your leg out to the side, parallel to the ground. Take your time here and mentally focus on working the outer hip area. Try for 30 reps on each leg. Next up is the glute bridge. Lay on your back with your feet flat on the ground. Feet should be hip width apart. Drive up through your heels and upper back to lift your glutes off the ground. Drive your hips as high as possible, squeezing your glutes at all times. The glute bridge is an exercise you absolutely need to add to your workout regimen. Side lunges are also a great way to work your side glutes and hips for a fuller and rounder butt. Take a slow lateral step to the right, keeping your toes pointed forward. Drive your weight into the right hip. Alright, this next exercise might look a little silly, but it's actually one of my favorites. It's called the Clam. This is the best exercise to do with a resistance band. It really hits the hard to reach hip area and sculpts the side of your leg. Lie on your side, keeping your feet together. Rotate and raise your top knee up to the back, rotating your leg from your hip. Make sure you're squeezing the side of your glutes and hips. Slowly bring your knees back together and repeat for 20 reps on each side. This is a side leg lift. With legs long and straight, lift and lower your top leg up and down, creating a wide gap between your two legs. This is the lateral leg lift, also known as the Jane Fonda. This exercise will fill in the space between the hip area and the glute area. Lay on your side and stack your hips evenly. Lengthen your top leg and flex your foot. As you lift your top leg, extend your leg ever so slightly behind you. It's really important to make the mind-muscle connection here while performing this exercise.